This is the Akko World Tour Tokyo R1 3087 keyboard. This retails from $79 to $110. The main features of this keyboard is it has a compact layout of 84 keys, PBT keycaps, and Akko pink switches. This is the unboxing and review for the keyboard. Enjoy. Quick thank you to Akko for sending me this keyboard for review. I really appreciate it, and this video wouldn't be possible without them. Link in the description. Looking at the case design, the box looks really cool, and I can tell that they put a lot of work into making their product look good. As you can see, there are some sakura trees with a fish on it, and the whole theme of the box is pink to correspond with the keyboard. As you can see here, there is Akko branding, and there is some plastic cover, maybe for shipping, might protect the keycaps. And here's the keyboard, but we will get to that later on in the video. Let's check out what else they give us. Alright, so we got the pamphlet. No one really reads the pamphlet, but I guess it could help just in case this keyboard has extra software or other things like that. And it's in many languages, I guess, like Chinese and English. There are two boxes. I believe this one is most likely the keycaps or the key switch or the key puller that comes with the keyboard, and I believe it has Akko branding on it too. Alright, here is the key puller thing, the switcher, and yeah, it's purple. I think there might be different keys pullers because on other people's reviews they had a different design on them, so yeah, it's just your average wire key puller, so nothing new here. And I think these are the keycaps, the novelty keycaps that come with the keyboard, and yeah, they have like different logos on them. Alright, this is the second box that came with the keyboard. I'm pretty sure there is the cord here, and it doesn't seem to be braided, but it looks pretty high quality, and I see there's like a mold shape with the USB Type-C connector, so that might help it stay snug. Alright, so let's get to opening the keyboard. It already feels really heavy, pretty high quality. Yeah, I feel like that's something you would like in a keyboard. And there are rubber pads on the bottom so it won't slip, and the other stands so you can angle your keyboard. Alright, so let's remove one of the keycaps and see what's inside. So here's what the keycaps look like. These are the standard Akko pink linear switches, which have a 45 gram activation force. There are other ones which are the Akko blues, which are the clicky variant with 50 gram activation force, and a Akko orange, which is the tactile variant with a 45 gram activation force. And these caps are PBT keycaps, so they are, I'm pretty sure, 85% PBT high grade plastic and 15% ABS keycaps. PBT keycaps provide just a better plastic quality. Yes, it is plastic, but still it feels drastically different than my other $30 keyboard. I feel like the shining thing of this keyboard is the whole entire keycap set. It's just very minimal but also pretty aesthetic. These keycaps are pretty popular, and it comes with novelty keycaps. Akko has done great work in designing these keycaps, and I feel like that's why they have sold many of these keycap sets. The set will be in the description if you just want the keycaps. And these are all the novelty keycaps that come with the keyboard, and they have pretty good artwork. Alright, so with the case, I feel like it is pretty solid. It is plastic, but it still feels pretty good. And the paint is also, the pastel pink paint seems pretty high quality. It doesn't seem like it's gonna come off anytime soon. And I feel like just the whole execution with the design and the trail for your wire, you can just easily cable manage, which is pretty cool. Yeah, a lot of keyboards have that, but still it's pretty nice to see it on just this keyboard. Here are the stands. They do pop up relatively high, so let's take a look at the key switch, the actual switch, the Akko pink switch. Here's what it looks like. It looks just like your average keyboard switch, nothing new. Alright, let's take a look at the stabilizers on this keyboard. I'm pretty sure they just look like regular stabilizers, but let's check. Alright, so I guess they are pink stabilizers. I've never seen that on a keyboard, but that looks pretty cool. It's a little, I think the pink is just about the same color as the font. I'm not really sure, but it's a bit darker and less pastel. And yeah. Alright, so now let's just get into the sound test. I know all of you guys have been waiting for this. So here are my final thoughts on the keyboard. I feel like it's a great keyboard and it has high quality things like the overall case and the keycaps, and the keycaps are actually really great. I love the art, and yeah, I feel like it is worth the hefty price tag for the keyboard. That being said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for Akko for sending me this keyboard. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.